You're welcome, guys. Yes. This is another brand new video from FOREX. So I say welcome to every one of you watching, or wherever you might be watching this video all around the world. And I want to say Happy New Year to everyone. Wishing all the traders all around the world happy tips. Wishing you many tips this year. I pray this year is going to be a year of profitable for each and every one of us. So this is my very first video for the year, and most likely this might be my very first trade, as I will be taking this year as well. I'm looking to slow down things much more drastically this year, so I will be switching towards higher time frame. So I will majorly be looking at higher time frame. So most likely some of the trade I will be posting, or the video I will be dropping this year, you see me going into probably the daily time frame, 4 hours, then to 1 hour. I will most likely not be going below 1 hour for my trades or for my analysis this year. So I mean, that allows me to assimilate things in a proper way, digest the chart very well. Then I can as well, in that case, take the trade one trade at a time. So you're welcome to the video. So this is ERUCAD daily time frame right here on my screen. So I will quickly be telling you exactly what am I looking at on this chart, because the chart or the trade seems to be developing in a certain way that is getting me very much interested. So I will just quickly be diving into what am I looking at on this chart. How am I supposed to approach this trade? I'm already looking at the setup right before it happens. So in this case, we can anticipate, because the money in trading is in you being able to anticipate the move before it happens. So once you can anticipate, in that case you can minimize your risk and then see exactly how you can maximize profit. So please guys, before I go in, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. This is FOREX. Please subscribe to the channel so that whenever the videos are being dropped like this, you can always be the first to see it, learn from it, and then monitor the chart sometimes and see exactly if you can follow the trade and then make some money for yourself. So welcome guys, once again. Let's quickly dive into all of this. So this is once again EUROCAD daily time frame on my screen. So if you look at this chart, you can see that hey, this chart was going up, was predominantly uptrend right from this area, getting to this point, and then what do you know, the market started to turn into a kind of a range. Then it started to range from this area that I've mapped out. This is daily time frame. You can see the range is from this area. Market started to pull back, get to this area, goes again, couldn't make a higher high. So at this point we already have about 3 to 4 touches. There's a touch here, second touch here, third touch here, another touch to this side. So now I marked it out. So hey, okay, it seems to be coming from a uptrend like that. Then now it has getting into a range. Then a range in the market means that market could as well get into a range like this and then continue to go higher and then or take a turn. A range in the market is probably market get into a refreshing, and then in that process it can take a turn or take and then or as well to continue in that direction. But in this case now, it seems like this market might be wanting to take a turn after all. So now I see that the range broke out here yesterday. This is the daily time frame. This is the daily candle. You can see this daily candle closed right here, very bearish yesterday, closed bearish here yesterday, showing signs of a lot of pressure from the sellers coming. And then look at what he has done today now. Look at all he has done today. Like, is he going to go back into the range and then continue the range, or is it going to be consolidating and folding below? And what do you know? Now market couldn't go back for the whole of today. This is what we have been doing. So I will be stepping it down to 4-hour time frame so that we can see the fine details of this trade, and then how exactly am I looking to approach this setup as things get to develop. So now this is 4 hours, guys. So in this 4 hour, like I said earlier, you can see the range from this area to this area to this area, then the range breaks out like that. Look at it, guys. Now it tried to test the support becoming a resistance right here. Market goes back. So now I'm waiting for this market to close outside today again, and then in the course of next week, another pullback to this area, coming back to retest this area next week or anywhere inside this range. And if it shows me any sign of weakness or a 4-hour pin bar sell signal for me, hey, that initiates or that gets me into this sell. So that's exactly how I'm going to be, looking at it in a simple term next week. I'm already looking at it now that hey, this market is turning around, and it's most likely going to be selling. But I'm not going to be selling just right here where it is now, because hey, I will be selling at a disadvantage. So I need it to pull back again to this line, to this support and resistance line right here, fail, or probably come inside again, and then gives me a price action signal anywhere within the range here. Hey, that will get me into the sell. So I will be updating this particular chart in the course of tomorrow to next week to show you guys how exactly our things develop, and if at all I'm going to be taking the trade, where and how I will be taking the trade, how I will be approaching it. So I will keep you guys posted on exactly how this trade develops and how I'm going to be taking the trade. So please, before I go once again, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Chartlord Forex. Please share the video, let it go viral, so that we can always be the first to see these videos whenever they are being released, and then we can as well trade together, make some tips and make some money together in this year 2023. So I will be wishing everybody once again a happy trade to the year, happy peeps. And then I wish all the very best. So thank you guys. Cheers.